The shocker. Okay, shocker. The shocker. What's up, guys? Before we get this episode started, I gotta give a little trigger warning because this episode features one of the most unhinged, annoying, and cringy characters I've ever brought to this channel. Although I don't know if it's necessarily cringe because I'm kind of aware of it. It's self-aware. At least that's what my mom told me.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of PSR. Today we got something insane crazy.
It's the shocker.
The shocker. The shocker. By Stuff and Things. And what is the shocker exactly? Well, it's a crazy paintball style trigger for your AR-15.
The shocker.
Brrrr, just like I did with your mom last night. Before we get into this thing, I gotta thank KAK Industry. Why? Because KAK Industry is the best damn AR parts manufacturer in the whole world. Yes, they are making and cranking and yanking the parts out every day out of their facility in Albany, Missouri. Yeah, that's right, American-made parts, baby. Woohoo! Ooh, I can feel it coming on. You could never, ever get 10% off your order with the code PSR. Don't do it, ever, ever, ever. And what else are we doing today? Well, we're gonna be testing the KAK K-Spec bulk carrier group. It's a brand new bulk carrier group, and it's crazy. It's a controversial bulk carrier group that sends the gases down into the mag well. You guys are scared. I know you're scared. You're so scared. I haven't even cracked open the goddamn Monster Energy yet, and I am hyped. You ready to get fucking shocked? Let's fucking go. I forgot to take my ADHD meds this morning, and you guys are gonna pay for it. This right here is called The Shocker. It is by Stuff and Things. And yes, they made this thing. They're a cool company. They do a lot of 3D printing stuff too, which is badass. But you know what this thing is? It's just a trigger that you put into your normal little trigger guard here. It sets right in there with the pins. And then you can actually actuate it like a paintball trigger. And it goes as fast as your fingers go, like 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink style, like I did with your mom last night. Exactly like that. And if you've ever played paintball, it's just very similar. So come on down. We're going to have some fun. All of a sudden, I'm Southern now, so fuck it. But first, I do want to say, also, like I mentioned, we're going to be using the KAK K-Spec bulk carrier group. Now, this has some enhancements, which are awesome. I don't need enhancements with your mom, but when you do want to have an enhanced bulk carrier group, this thing is pretty awesome. Now, some of the enhancements it has these slotted carrier rails, which help, shit all get out of there, like debris and stuff. And also, this is the controversial thing people have been wetting their panties over, shitting their panties, pissing their panties over, about this whole gas ejection thing. Now, this does help with suppressed shooting because this here gas don't come out of the bulk carrier. It goes actually down into the mag well. There's a little tiny holes, but there's the minimal gas that comes out of that. So people are literally shitting their pants, getting all upset over it, but I'm just kind of curious if there's any debris in the mag well. So we're going to see if we get a dirty mag or not by shooting this thing. And there's a bunch of other cool stuff with it too. KAK makes some really quality stuff. This is a really cool bulk carrier. So I want to see how it shoots. And we haven't lubed it or anything. I just threw that thing right from the package into the AR. We're going to see how that is. And another thing we got on here that's awesome before we start shooting this thing, last thing, is a pretty sweet, look at this. We got the shock mode. Oh, that's a scary, forbidden position. But we got it on here. And you know why? It's because it's got the KAK selector. And you know what? This is a semi-auto selector. So it works like, normally that is a full auto, baby. That is going burr, baby. But actually this here is just semi-auto. And you can put it in your freaking AR. That's totally semi-auto, but it looks cool, okay? So that's pretty sweet. KAK makes this thing. But for this here, we're going to call it shock mode. So we're going in shock mode right now. And, oh yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, so I want to get the hang of this thing. Let's shoot the first shots. Okay, shocker! All right, so we're going to put it in shock mode, baby. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. I don't have this mag completely full, but we're gonna try 3 shots, kind of slow, and work our way up here. All right, let's give her, bud. Oh, wow. Okay, that was 4. Okay, so it's just, you know, we're getting slow. I'll try to go a little bit faster this time. All right, we're out there. Oh, I feel like we're going to go through some ammo today, actually. So I forgot to mention, KAK did provide the ammo for this video. We are running a little low on the 223.556, so I did bring a CMMG conversion kit so we can shoot 22, because you know what? Shooting cheap 22s fun! Shocker! All right, so far, flawless function from our KAK K-Spec BCG. Let's try to get a little faster this time here with the shocker. Oh, wow. Okay, so we got to do a little dancing with the fingers. Dancing with the fingers. Okay. Whoa, that was fast. Oh, yeah, that's going fast now. Woo! Shocker! Oh, yeah! Wow, okay. Whew, safety's on. And wow, that K-Spec bolt carrier grip's doing well. Let's check the mag. Well, they don't look too dirty to me. Woo! Shocker! Whoa! Okay, this is crazy. So you can see it's not like perfect kind of binary trigger, but you get some that are just coming out of there fast, dude. Really fast. And of course, this is the, whew, this only works with mil-spec lowers. So this is actually a Springfield Saint lower. Funny enough, this was the first AR purchase I ever made, and it was pretty cringe. Don't really buy Springfield stuff anymore. So it will only work on mil-spec lowers because of the way this trigger guard is set up. Oh yeah. Well, that was pretty awesome. I say we put some more through it, baby. Yeah! Alrighty. Time to put another mag through the shocker! Woohoo! The shocker. Alright. Shock mode. Let's see if we can do a little consistency here. Woo! Yeah! Shocker! That's crazy. Once you get the hang of it, you start getting pretty fast. There's no limits other than the speed of your fingers, if you know what I mean. All right, yeah, so we put a few rounds through the fucking shocker, bro, and it's fucking sick. You know what we're gonna try to do? We're gonna try to get the accuracy, see if this thing's accurate. I might not be going fast, but I wanna just see kind of like what the trigger pull situation is if we're trying to have some accuracy. So we got about, I don't know, 3 or 4 targets, steel targets, about 50 yards away. We're gonna see how it goes. Let's do it. Shock mode. Hit, 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 hit. No fucking problem, baby. Shocker! This rifle, if you're not familiar, I painted this thing. Go watch the series, The Joy of Painting Your Rifle, if you want to see how I painted this sucker. Great little arts and crafts projects. We love them out here at PSR. So yeah, I say we move on to the 22 and see how it shoots with the 22. We might be able to give it a little faster with the 22. Shocker! Alrighty, so what we did was we put the CMMG 22LR conversion right inside this gosh darn AR-15, just like I put my in your mom last night, bro. Yeah, so we just stuck that thing in there. It's gonna be fun because I think it's gonna be able to go a little faster because it's got a little, tiny little reciprocating bolt, a lot less than the AR, 223 with a conventional bolt. So let's give her, bud. Let's see if we can get really fast. Shock mode. Woo! Okay. Oh man, that's fun. Oh yeah, I think I can get faster. Another mag then, bud. This is a CCI mini mag, so might be a little faster velocity-wise. See if we can give her here a little bit harder. Oh yeah. I want to go this like this. Just kind of, That is stupid, but it's fun. Now, for all of you guys that's like, oh, what's the point of getting this? Well, it's just to have fun. It's a dumb, fun trigger, and if you're not having fun, I don't know what you're doing. I mean, yes, plenty of practical applications for plenty of triggers, and this is not really anything that's meant for like practicality or self-defense. It's just a fun range toy. Quick little note, if you want 10% off this trigger, you would never ever use the code PSR at Stuff and Things. Now, I can't list their website, but I would never ever search Stink USA on Google. Stink as in S-T-I-N-C. Stink USA. Don't search that, and definitely never use the code PSR for 10% off. Your shocker, baby. Shocker! Whew. All right, you guys, so we've had an awesome time shooting this gosh darn trigger today. The shocker! It's been a whole lot of fun. I was off my meds. I'm feeling a little bit better now, but you know what? The shocker just induced a kind of mental psychosis type energy that I couldn't get off of it for a sec, you know. So just grab your monsters, hop in your Dodge Neons, you know, get your shockers, and let's fucking go. Shocker. So thank you guys for watching another episode of PSR. Like I said, this is an awesome, fun novelty trigger. It's not really meant to be anything tactical or like, you know, so we'll go shooting competitions with this. But actually, you know what I was thinking? This might be actually legal in California since it's not a binary trigger. Technically, it's just one trigger pull. You know, you're not even releasing it. So I don't quote me on that.
Yeah, I was wrong. This is fully not allowed in California. Boo-hoo. And a bunch of other states, as you can see, unfortunately. They always gotta ruin our fun.
It's a great, fun range toy. And if you're looking to get one of these, they're only about $100. I think they're $99.99. And like I said, never use that code PSR for 10% off that Stuff and Things. Whew. Yeah, so I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching another episode of PSR. I was off my meds, like I said. Now I'm feeling better. I'm feeling wonderful. And I'm feeling ready to conquer the world peacefully with love and monster energy. All right, you guys. That's been another one. Thanks for watching. And until next time, get shh.
It's time to go to sleep now. Good night.
The world can be so scary, yeah. I need some protection. Scary. Sometimes I stare into my glong. I can see my own reflection. Whoa. I'm smoking up dope. I'm shooting out this smoke. I'm cooking up the felonies. Sir, I don't understand what's so wrong with printing my glong and chiefing my key.
Yeah, so like I'm looking for something not too crazy, something that'll get me nice and like chill, but I also need it to like help me with my practical accuracy. Do you have anything for that?
Oh, today's your lucky day, partner. I got just the thing.
It's a Glock. Yeah, the Glock. It's the Glock. It's a Glock that's also a bomb. No way. It's the Glock. Yeah, the Glock. It's my Glock and it's also my bomb. The Glock. Yeah, the Glock. It's a Glock that's also a bomb.
.com! Yeah! Wow! Yeah! Shocker! Shocker, baby! Ha!